Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get the Fennec Fox and grow a garden. Alright, let's begin. The Fennec Fox is a limited time pet that can only be obtained from the Oasis egg, which was introduced during the Mega Harvest update. You can purchase this egg from the Harvest Shop NPC, located at the center of the map, for 10 summer coins. The hatch time for the Oasis egg is 4 hours and 10 minutes, but you can speed it up using pet speedups or Robux. Keep in mind that the drop rate for the Fennec Fox is extremely low, only 0.5%. On average, you may need to open many eggs before successfully hatching one. Once you have the Fennec Fox, its abilities make it one of the most valuable pets in the game. Approximately every 22 minutes, the Fennec Fox will visit another player's garden, choose a random fruit, and copy its mutation onto one of your own fruits instantly. This ability works without any weather triggers, which makes it incredibly useful for obtaining high-value mutations quickly. So, that's basically how you can get the Fennec Fox and grow a garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.